Anansi the Spider, a tale from the Ashanti by Gerald McDermott. Anansi, he is spider to the Ashanti people. In Ashanti land, people love the story of Kwaku Anansi. Time was, Anansi had 6 sons. First son was called Sea Trouble. He had the gift of seeing trouble a long way off. Second son was Road Builder. Thirsty son was River Drinker. Next son was Game Skinner. Another son was Stone Thrower. And last of sons was Cushion. He was very soft. All were good sons of Anansi. One time Anansi went a long way from home, far from home. He got lost. He fell into trouble. Back home was son Sea Trouble. "Father is in danger," he cried. He knew this quickly, and he told those other sons. Road Builder's son said, "Follow me." Off he went, making a road. They went fast, those 6 brothers, gone to help Anansi. "Where is father now?" "Fish has swallowed him." "Anansi is inside fish." River Drinker took a big drink. No more river. Then Game Skinner helped father Anansi. He split open fish. More trouble came right then. It was Falcon. Took Anansi up in the sky. "Quick now, Stone Thrower." The stone hit Falcon. Anansi fell through the sky. Now Cushion ran to help father. Very soft, Anansi came down. They were very happy, that spider family. All home again that night, Kwaku and Anansi found a thing in the forest. "What is this? A great globe of light?" "Oh, mysterious and beautiful, I shall give this to my son," said Anansi, "to the son who rescued me." "But which son of 6? Which deserves the prize?" "Naomi, can you help me?" "Oh, Naomi," called Anansi. For Ashanti people, Naomi is the god of all things. Anansi asked this of Naomi, "Please hold the beautiful globe of light until I know which son should have it for his own." And so they tried to decide which son deserved the prize. They tried, but they could not decide. They argued all night. Naomi saw this. The god of all things, he took the beautiful white light up into the sky. He keeps it there for all to see. It is still there. It will always be there. It is there tonight.